In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Perplexity. By the end, you'll be ready to sign in quickly and start exploring answers with ease. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Perplexity website. A stable internet connection and an up-to-date browser will make the process smoother. If you're using a search engine to get there, choose the official result and check for the secure lock icon in the address bar to confirm you're on the right site. Once the Perplexity homepage loads, look for the option to get started. This may appear as Sign Up, Log In, or an icon in the top corner that opens the sign-in panel. Go ahead and click it to reveal the available sign-in methods. Next, choose Continue with Google. This is usually the fastest and most secure way to create your account because it links to your existing Google profile, so you don't need to remember a separate password for Perplexity. If you have multiple Google accounts, think about which one you want to associate with Perplexity, personal or work, so everything stays organized. A Google window may pop up. Select the email you want to use and then follow the prompts on your screen. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, you'll likely just pick the account and confirm. If not, you may be asked to sign into Google first, and depending on your security settings, you might see a two-step verification prompt. This is normal and helps keep your account secure. You may be asked to review what access you're granting. Take a moment to read the permissions and click Allow to continue. In some cases, Perplexity might also prompt you to confirm basic profile details. If you see optional fields, like adding a display name or adjusting simple preferences, you can complete them now or skip and come back later. The key is to continue through the on-screen guidance until the process completes. When everything is done, you'll land back on Perplexity, signed in with your Google account. You can now begin using the platform right away. If you plan to return often, consider bookmarking the site so it's only one click away next time. And if the Google window didn't appear during the process, check whether your browser is blocking pop-ups, then try again. That's it. Opening the site, choosing Continue with Google, selecting your email and following the prompts is all it takes. You're all set to explore Perplexity with your new account.